It's that time of the month. Let's go ahead and unbox some PR. Got lots of goodies. Starting off, it'll be the Basic Edition Scalp Care Set for Healthy Looking Hair. I've been dying to try these. I see them all over TikTok, and I feel like I need to start taking care of my hair better. I already take really good care of my hair, but I'm talking like deep cleansing. Secondly, I love a good brush. This is the Tangle Free Hair All Brush. And I can already feel like I love these type of brushes right here. If you can see what it is. These are my favorite type of brushes because I feel like they work the best. When you're trying to do your 2-year-old's hair, you do not want something that's going to hurt them even more, because the smallest, slightest inconvenience is a no-go, and they're not going to want to continue doing their hair. Deep Bristles Flex for gentle detangling on all hair types. Contoured brush head follows the shape of your scalp. Vented flow through air design allows for fast blow drying styling. Oh, I'll have to try that. Yes, it is very, very light. So I can already tell that I'm gonna like this brush because I have one similar to this, and these are some of my favorite brushes. I have a headband. That's my headband. Oh, and I don't have a black one. It's called Get Ready With Me. That's so cute. Wash and Prep Ultra Absorbent Microfiber. Love me a good headband. Oh, and this one's not tight too, so it's not gonna like give me a headache or anything while I'm doing my Get Ready With Me. I don't even do Get Ready With Me's, but I do a lot of skincare and makeup. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Oh my gosh. This is an all-day hold. And just by the way, I don't know if I mentioned it, this is all by Scunci by Conair, and I love their stuff. I don't know if I'll ever have to buy a hair tie ever again. Goodness, this is all hair ties. Like, what? Wearing purple, fine. Wearing blue, okay. I want something beige and something neutral, okay. Wearing yellow, oh, I have like something more elegant and casual. The beach, let's go to the beach. The hair ties that's in here is absolutely bonkers. And that was it. That all of these products in their own unique way help your hair be healthy. For example, the hair ties, satin, they're not gonna hurt your hair. You can see from the inside, this is not gonna hurt your hair. So I have my hair done, I can put it on. I'm not scared that it's gonna mess up my hair, it's gonna mess up my look. And most importantly, I know that it's not gonna rip hair with it. Boom, took it off, that's it. One of their new brushes, I haven't seen it in the store yet, but I'm sure it is available. This one, I can already tell you, is gonna be a big seller because of the shape, and I really like that they curved it so that it goes with the shape of your head. When we're talking about scalp health, I think scalp health is so important. I've never taken scalp health serious, but I think with this I'm gonna start trying. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.